Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by meeting two essential prerequisites, level 15 and enough currency, because the Audi R8 is gated behind both progression and cost. Open the Vehicles tab, then go straight to Sports. This narrows options so you don't waste time. Once there, locate the Audi R8 listing and check required credits, tokens, and any challenge locks. Buy credits if needed or queue the R8 specific races to unlock the purchase option. This gets you into the buying flow quickly and efficiently. You continue by choosing whether to grind or pay. Either finish the 3 R8 challenge races to earn the unlock, or spend 5 premium tokens to skip the grind. Once you meet that condition, press the green Buy button in the sports dealership. Make sure you have the 500,000 credits ready because transactions are instant. After purchase, immediately visit Garage to equip required performance parts. Developers lock some events until you finish by spawning the R8 from Garage under My Vehicles, then run one quick test drive or a short race so the game registers ownership and syncs progress to the server. Make sure to save or exit to main menu after the drive, because autosave sometimes lags. If the R8 does not appear or the Buy button reactivates, restart the client and check your connection. Relogging forces a server sync and usually restores missing purchases within 1 to 2 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.